Windows 11 is evolving, and your next PC might come with built-in artificial intelligence. In this video, let's explore how Microsoft is bringing AI directly into your Windows 11 experience. Want to stay focused while working on your PC? Here's a hidden gem, the Focus Sessions feature in the Windows 11 Clock app. Just open the Clock app, click Focus Sessions, set your desired time, and start. Windows will automatically turn on Do Not Disturb, so no pop-ups or distractions. You can even link your Microsoft to-do list to track tasks, or connect Spotify to play calming focus music while you work. It's simple, smart, and keeps you productive, one session at a time. Try Focus Sessions in Windows 11 today and experience distraction-free productivity. Boost productivity with multiple screens in Windows 11. Press Windows plus P to switch or extend your display, simple and smart. An AI PC isn't just faster, it's smarter. It includes a neural processing unit, or NPU, that handles AI tasks like background blur, live captions, and Copilot assistance, all locally, without needing cloud power. Windows Copilot is your built-in AI assistant. It can summarize text, adjust settings, generate content, or even open apps, all with a simple prompt. Windows 11 Plus AI features you can expect. Clipchamp's AI features on Windows 11 include a smart subtitle generator, an AI voiceover generator with customizable voices, and AI-powered editing tools to remove pauses and background noise. Other AI-enhanced tools include image background removal and an automatic video composer, Auto-Compose, for creating videos from media. Use your own words to search for documents and images in File Explorer. Improved Windows Search. Now you can find any document, image, or setting using natural language. Just type what's on your mind, like bridge at sunset or Europe trip budget. No need to remember exact file names or words. This works offline too, powered by the 40+ TOPS NPU in Copilot plus PCs. New, refine, action in Click to do. Just press Win plus Click or Win plus Q, select your text, and choose Refine under Rewrite. Perfect for polishing your writing instantly. Other cool improvements: New folder option in File Explorer's right-click menu. New magnifier shortcut, press Ctrl plus Alt plus minus to reset zoom to 1x. Plus, new on-screen buttons to quickly reset or fit your zoom level. Magnifier just got smarter. Now you can quickly reset zoom to fit your screen or jump back to your preferred magnification with new on-screen buttons, highlighted in a red box. New buttons in Magnifier to reset zoom to fit to screen and reset zoom to your last or preferred magnification, highlighted in a red box. Retrace your steps with Recall. Filtering apps, websites, and sensitive information in Recall. Click to Do in Recall. Do more with what's on your screen. Click to Do does more with content. Pause or resume snapshots. Pause until tomorrow.